Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to fix or set your video quality on Bigo Live. Okay, so as you can see right now I am on their community tab. All you have to do is, as you can see on the bottom, there are about 5 icons. You have to click on the bottom right icon that says me, and that will take you to your profile, as you can see. And then on the top right corner, as you can see, there are 2 icons, a settings icon and like a little person icon. All you have to do is click on the settings icon. And as you can see, we have a few options here: privacy, blocked list, account management, device manager, notifications, and video quality. So we're going to click on video quality, and you can have FHD, HD, SD, or auto. I'm going to keep it on auto, but you can put it on anyone you like. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.